Question C says calculate the general solution for theta if 3 sine square theta is equals to 2 sine theta. Give answer correct to 1 decimal place. So we'll start off with 3 sine square theta is equals to 2 sine theta. We'll take our 2 sine theta to the other side and we'll have 3 sine squared theta minus 2 sine theta is equal to 0. We'll take out sine theta as a common factor. We'll be left with 3 sine theta minus 2 is equals to 0. This means that sine theta is equals to 0, or 3 sine theta minus 2 is equals to 0. For the sine theta is equals to 0, we call this a boundary solution because we can just take a look at our sine graph and look at the values where our sine graph is equals to 0. And this is at the angle of 0 and also at 180 degrees. So for the sine theta is equals to 0, our general solution would say theta is equals to 0 plus k 360, where k is an element of integers. Or we can have theta is equals to 180 plus k 360. Again, k is an element of all integers. Now for the 3 sine theta minus 2, we would have 3 sine theta is equal to 2. Divide both sides by 3. We get that sine theta is equals to 2 over 3. We would then look for a reference angle that is equal to 41,8. We look at our Cartesian plane and look at which quadrant is sine positive. Sine is positive in the first and the second quadrant. So for the first quadrant, we'll just say that theta is equals to the angle plus k 360, where k is an element of integers. And for our second quadrant, we'll say that theta is equals to 180 minus 41.8 plus k 360, which will then give us 138.2 degrees plus k 360 degrees, where k again is an element of all integers. Okay, just make sure we have our degrees there.